So I'm told that everything...
Growing old and all the health problems that may bring. If you said yes to any of these questions, then you need to watch
A civil authority has issued a local area emergency for the following counties or areas: Houston, Cape May, New Jersey, at 3:23 p.m. on July 4th, 2023, effective until further notice. Message from EAS MOCK. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the New Jersey Office of Emergency Management. A strange account of missing reports across northern New Jersey and Delaware. We don't know what people to go missing, but for your safety, stay inside and remain vigilant to other people. For more information, go to our website at www.nj/find or text or call 911. Have at least 14 days worth of food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered or hand-track radio for more information. Monitor local news source or NOAA weather radio for more details and updates. Please stay tuned to local media outlets for more information as this continues.
Watch the next 30 minutes as 88-year-old Jay Kordich, known as the father of juicing, reveals all his secrets to good health and longevity. Jay Kordich is known